Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I am here with a little journal share. This little journal is, if I can do my ruler right, it's like 6 by 5.5, roughly. And it's kind of like on the order of my flip-flap journals again, only I just did a different little layout. This was a piece of the same kind of cardstock that I use for my flip-flap journals, and it was a cut-off piece, so I decided to use it up, and this is what I got. The closure is just it's just made out of coffee dyed paper, and I just folded it over like onto itself on both sides, so there's like 3 layers thick, and I just added a piece of this paper right here. I just inked it up. It came off of like some printer paper that goes through the printer, and it's the edges part that you rip off, and so I just did that, put some eyelets in it, and used it as my closure. And it can be removed and put aside while you're looking at the journal. And this is a CD holder on the front, and Tim Holtz flowers. I just did some stenciling on it, and inside I put a doily as the background, so when you take the picture out you can just see the doily. I just thought it was cute. And then I put in this little, it's put on coffee dyed paper, it's photo. And I just put that inside like so. And then it's magnetized as well, so when you lift it up, it doesn't flop around and open. So then you open it up, and over here we have a pocket. And I just used Tim Holtz back as the back paper, and I can't remember everybody. I will try to link everybody like I try to every time. Link who I know's in here below in the description box for everyone if you want to go check it out. And this is just a little circle I punched out when I was making these. I used the circle and made a little tab out of it. This little bird photo on there, and then this flips out. And we have a journaling card inside here in the envelope. I love this, so pretty. And over here we have a belly band. And yeah, I don't remember whose stuff I used. I'm so sorry. I know I hate it when I do that. I like to remember, I think this is Mrs. Coggs. I like to remember who I used, but after I get so much miscellaneous laying around and I try to use it up on these kind of journals, I don't remember whose is whose for some of it, if that makes any sense. I'm sorry. But then you just flip that closed, and then this opens up over here, and that flips over. This is magnetized as well right here. I don't know why I did that, but I did. And then this flips out like this, but over here in this pocket I just have a little journaling space with a little pocket inside, and I stuck it in there. I like to leave them hanging out a little bit, and this is just some layering there. And then that opens up, and there's a pocket here. I just didn't want to put too much stuff in here because then my flip-flaps, they get too bulky. There's a little tuck spot right there. And then this closes, and there's a tuck spot back there, and the people, the lady and gentleman, are a tuck spot as well. And then you close that. There's a pocket here with a tag. And then this is also a little tag tuck spot there. And so that is that side. And then you got your, well, I guess I did put belly band here. I've had this one made for just a little bit. So there's a belly band there, and you can tuck underneath. And there is a tuck spot here with some leftover bits. And I just tucked in all this little goodness in there. And I don't think I put anything else. Nope, just a little stamping going on there. Then on this side, these little, they're magnet, these little Tim Holtz tickets. And then these are little tuck spots as well, right here. I just thought that was so cute. And then inside this tuck spot, we have 2 tags and this piece of ephemera. I just tucked them in. I should have rounded the corners, because when I don't round corners, it seems like it's harder to tuck that stuff in there. It gets all caught up. And that's just layered right there. And this flips open, and we have this little tuck spot here. And then there's a tuck spot in here. This journaling card. And I just added one of those stickers I think I got from Wish in there. And then right here we have some more journaling space. I just sewed across the top and glued that in. And then this flips back over, and those magnetize on there. And then it opens up here. And we have another tuck spot. Oh, I thought I used that as a tuck spot, but I didn't. I just did left that little layering piece, which Trina made, that little layering piece, so I glued that on. And then here we have a little journaling spot, booklet thingy-majing, a little, I love that. I think that's so pretty. That would be so pretty, like blown up and on the front of a journal. And here is a little envelope with some bits inside. I think that's Tsunami Rose, I think. I'm not sure. I just tucked that in like that. And put that back there. Or maybe I had it like, it doesn't really matter how you have it. You can do it whichever way you want to do it. And these 2 things right here, they were just like a strip of coffee dyed paper left over that I had, and I took these little stamps that I got off of AliExpress, these little bundles, and they're just little stamps, and I just stamped them on the scrap pieces of paper and glued them on there. That's what those are. And then we have another bunch of pages for journaling. A little tuck spot there. I love the way this brown turned out. I just like that. Over here we have a little tuck spot there out of scraps. Another one of them circles. And then in here, this is magnetized right here. And that flips up. You have a tuck spot right here with a couple little tidbits. Some more of that ripped off that computer paper. And then this flips up. You have some journaling space here, which you can replace. And back here is a tuck spot with some ephemera. And there is a little flower that I did right there with little notes. And then down here you have all of this little tidbits in this tuck spot here. Just a bunch of little stuff here and there and everywhere. And you also have a tuck spot in here. There's a lot of stuff you can hide in this little journal. There's tucks, and more tucks. And again, I'm just using up some of those envelopes I have. And yeah, just kind of coming up with the little flips and flaps as I go. But it's so fun because they're all different. As I go, I just like, what can I do different instead of the same as I did last time, you know? But I just love the way these little tickets I had laying here, and I don't know, I just really like them. They're so fun to do. But yeah, then you flip it all together again and then turn it over. And then you have these little flips. This little Tim Holtz girl, and then Tim Holtz flowers, and some, I don't know, just did some layering there. Put some book page on these corners because I want them to be sturdy because it's going to be open and shut a lot. And then this flips open and you can journal here. I was going to put magnets, but whoops. But I don't know, I just thought they would get in the way, so I didn't put magnets. That's why I did this closure, because when it's on, it holds it all shut. Anyways, this opens up and you got more journaling here that can be replaced. And I didn't put anything here. I figured you could just journal on there because I didn't want it to get too bulky as it does, because then you won't be able to close it. And then you just add your little closure back on. Turn it over. Whoops. And then I could tie this on there, but I didn't. I don't know why I didn't. I just didn't. You know, afterthought, I guess. I still just don't know if I want to tie it on there, or let who bought it do it. I'm not sure. And then you just tie a little bow, and voila. Yeah, there she is, all tucked away, like she was before. I just wanted to share this with you. She's going to be going out in the mail, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed and got some inspiration from it, and I hope you have a wonderful day and stay safe. Oh, please subscribe if you aren't, and give my video a thumbs up so I can get back out there in the YouTube world. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.